Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So this is my Haworthia. You might have seen in my previous videos as well. Because of the direct sunlight, it had got damaged, but it's doing quite well. I can see a lot of new growth on the tip. It's more green and also it's getting a bloom. So I'm very excited about it. It looks quite good. But I'm not going to be talking about the health of the succulent and how it's doing. But I wanted to show you guys something really exciting, and I'm very happy because this is the first time ever I'm noticing this. This has never happened to me. I think of keeping Haworthias for almost 5 years now. This is the first time I'm seeing this. You can see the amount of babies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to on the flashlight because otherwise it's not going to be visible. So I'll just switch on the flashlight. So now you will be able to see this is something that I never expected. The amount of pups that are present on this Haworthia. You can see at the base there is one, there is two, the third one over here, fourth one, and then there is a fifth one over here. And the same thing with this one as well. This is the African pearl, and you can see if I'm going to just move this leaf over here, we have one pup over here, we have another pup over here, and if I'm going to turn it around over here, if I'm going to just move this dry leaf, you can see there is another pup over here as well. So there are around 3 pups on the African pearl, and on this there are multiple pups. Very excited about this. I have never experienced so many pups on a Haworthia, but again it's going to take a while. I cannot separate them right away because they are very small right now, but you can see the amount of pups. So the pups will generally form around the base of the stem, and I'm very excited about it because this is the first time that I'm seeing so many pups on my Haworthia. This Haworthia was almost at the verge of getting completely burnt, just like this one. It was completely brown in color, but now it has started to recover, and the best thing is that it's putting out so many pups. Again, now the winters are setting in, so probably I might have a little bit a faster rate because I have never had any pups. I always thought that they take a lot of time to put out pups, but this is the first time I'm seeing them, so I'm quite excited about it. The amount of pups on this is just spectacular. I'll show you the other pot as well. So this is the other pot, and I'm so sorry there is going to be a lot of mud on the leaves because it rained and all that. There was a lot of mud splatter on the leaves. But again over here as well, when I noticed here as well, there is a tiny little pup that's shooting up. Let me focus over here. As you can see, this is a tiny little pup over here, and we have a big pup over here. As you can see, this is another pup. You can see over here as well, there is another one. This is another pup. So I'm pretty excited about it. I never thought that I'm going to have so much of success with Haworthias putting out pups because they take a very long time. As I said, 5 years of keeping Haworthias, this is the first time ever. Probably the change in location because I shifted to a different place. Maybe that is one of the reason. Probably, I'm not very sure. Again guys, I haven't added any fertilizers to it yet. Of course, because I shifted over here and it was almost summer, so during summers we do not add any fertilizers to dormant succulents because Haworthias are dormant during summers. But without adding any fertilizers as well, you can see they are doing extremely well. This one was the one that was completely brown because it was burnt due to the sun, but you can see now it's doing quite well. It has recovered the color. A little bit of browns are still present on it, but overall it is starting to turn green, just like the others. But this is amazing to see so many pups. I hope that they reach a decent size so that I can separate them from the mother plant. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.